Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, had better, is going to be explained in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's learn it. Had better, is a use to express a strong recommendation or a warning about a possible consequence if the advice is not followed. What does it mean? Simply, it means that, had better, is nothing but a modal verb like should, must, would etc. But this modal verb is used to give advice to someone. Basically, it's used in a situation when it shows a warning about a possible consequence if the advice is not followed. In simple words, you can say, it should be used when you give advice to someone and you believe that if the advice is not accepted then there will be possible consequences. And, the person may be in trouble after ignoring the advice. Just look at these examples. We had better leave now, otherwise, we'll miss the train. Look at this example, the modal verb, had better, is used. Basically, you can see it is my advice to my friends that we should leave now. But, if they do not accept or follow my advice then we will face the problem of missing the train. So, you can see this modal verb is used to show a sense of urgency and warning. Actually, you should use it in the matter of advice which has the sense of warning. He had better not ignore the warning signs, it could be dangerous. Again the modal verb, had better, is used in this sentence. Basically, it also shows an advice but the speaker believes that if this advice is not followed then he may face some danger ahead. So, again it shows a sense of warning. She had better not skip meals, it's important to maintain a healthy diet. Look at this sentence, the modal verb, had better, is used. Actually, it is also an advice but this advice will have negative consequences if it is not followed. Simply, it means that she should not skip the meals, if she skips it then she will have problems. So, again it shows a sense of warning. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel.